gotta be a good boy for your mom and dad, Foster.
Scuba Steve.
Scuba Steve.
Happy Father's Day! This is Adam's second Father's Day.
That's weird. Like, it's not my first.
We're going to play disc golf in a little while, so we're headed to the Pafunky Griddle.
The what, Haley?
Pafunky.
Pafunky.
Pafunky. This place has a griddle in the middle of our table.
In the middle.
I love it already. Foster! Foster! It's so cool. We're disc golfing.
Haley won't admit it, but she is currently hot and miserable.
I am not hot and miserable.
She was like, this game's gonna take like 3 hours.
Well, it's partly because my Nugget's in the car and I'm not with him. I miss him.
Like he's sleeping. Not by himself, he's with his Aunt Marley.
Z. How was your Father's Day?
Well, it's still going.
So
It's good.
You're still...
This is a video of Haley about to lose my Valkyrie disc to the water. Is that beautiful?
Here we go. Yeah.
Oh, we're good. Now, you got to throw with the snakes and the gators, but
I like the white one better. But it would get so dirty.
what happened, Z?
He tickled me.
That was the slowest.
Adam and Foster's swim lesson. We decided to come to Land of the Hipsters today. We're walking around East Nashville.
Foster's waving to everyone. Okay. Alright. I have found Haley's Sanctuary. The place that she's been looking for weeks now. Able-bodied colon therapy.
Colonics. I didn't know there was such a thing.
Yes. Yes, this
That's
is
where I
what
need to
you've
go.
been dreaming of.
I need
You
to
go in here.
take therapy at Colon.
I'm gonna walk across over here to Fanny's Guitars and Amps.
We're in Pied Piper Creamery. I got horchata ice cream and it is delicious.
I had this mojito ice cream.
Oh, I thought you got grapefruit.
I was going to, but the grapefruit you did was going to throw me off.
Foster. Hey bud, you want some ice cream? It almost looks like he's eating it. His little face is red.
I have a nice princess you could marry and marry into the kingdom.
Adam and I just tried to see how hard we could bite one another.
That sounds so weird.
This is me, but with Adam's bite mark. I have to like let people know whose arm is whose because my arm is so hairy.
Yeah. So this one's mine. This one's Haley's.
A little bit harder. A little bit harder. A little bit harder. Okay. Okay. It's pretty deep. I got his fit.
All right, we are here on the green. 13th hole. Caddy, what do you think? We have a little wind coming in from the east. What should we? Oh, we should go with the green ball. Okay, we're gonna use the green ball. And you think I should use my putter? All right. Caddy says green ball putter.